ice cube. K is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for next. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for spider. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watch. X is for xylophone.